Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with 2 ingredients, 3, one's optional. And yeah, what you'll be needing is some napkins to clean up your mess, stirring utensil, stirring platform, something to put the slime in when it's done. I've tried other kinds, it didn't work, so this is kind of specific. You need Dial body wash and BS Salon shampoo. First thing I'm gonna do, and food coloring, that's the option.
Quit making slime!
Shut up.
Yeah.
Okay, on YouTube. Okay. The first thing I'm gonna do is get your body wash and put about that much on the plate. Yeah. And you want to get your shampoo and put about that much right in the middle. And you want to get your food coloring. This is pink. It's been used. Just put some of that, however much you want, in your thing and just stick. You can add the ingredients more as you go. I think I put too much pink in it. It's good. I think it's gonna be not pink. I think it's gonna be red. It's coming together already. See how it's coming together already? Yeah. The only thing bad about this, you don't have to add food coloring. That's the bad part. The food coloring stays on you, kind of. If you if you play with it for a while, it won't stick to you. But if like right now, if I touch it, it'll get food coloring sticking to me. So that's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna add more of this just to give it a true consistency. Oh, that much more is probably the difference because that's pink and that's white. I'm just gonna stir. Okay. So by now you're probably wondering, well, why do we need this container? Like I said before, just to transfer this into this. Okay, so let's go do it. So you can see, just gonna scrape all this up in one place. Okay, and then you just kind of wanna dump it in, or you can make it in there, just do the same thing in there. It's just kind of could be harder. Okay, that's what it looks like. One from there. I have other kinds. I'm going to look at a blue one that I made earlier and show you that one. But this is the one I just made. So right now I'm going to go get the blue one. Okay, so I just got the blue one. See? The pink one we just made. This is the blue one that I made earlier. That I made a while ago. The same ingredients, just blue food coloring. So you see there's not a lot in there because I didn't want to stick to me. I just went kind of overboard on this one so you can actually see the difference. So yeah. Bye.